See, the numbers, they speak for themselves. I was looking at the the JP Morgan report, and looked at, other important details which we look at Coforge. They've managed to beat the industry. And typically what happens is that when the sector is going through a crunch, and when you see a consistent performer which has really managed to beat the industry estimates because of their business model, that becomes the standout gainer. So if you're an institutional investor, you would say, look, I will not go zero on IT, but let me identify something in IT which is doing better and where there is scope of outperformance. So at a time when there is I won't use the word drought, but the sector is bereft of any kind of an exciting growth, Coforge in a sense will stand tall because it's doing much better than the industry. The standalone numbers also, irrespective of what is happening in the industry, 17-18%. I think that's very impressive for a company like Coforge, and valuations are not like 40 times, 50 times. So you're looking at outperformance in the industry. It will, that word which we use called TINA factor, that when few companies do well in a sector which is underperforming, that outperformers will always be disproportionately rewarded. Standalone basis, valuations are not that stretched, and I would say that if they are in for a good Q4, then it has been a standout outperformer. I'm not sure about 7,000, but actually it's 5. I didn't realize it's gone up that much. Let's look at the chart of Coforge from COVID, and let's just compare that actually. 40% higher.
In fact, of late there was some pullback because of that fundraise announcement.
Yeah, but just think about it. I mean, how exciting the stock's been when the sector per se has been marred with very low growth. So yeah, this is an outperformer, and I think it will remain an outperformer.